I'm Jagir, and today we're going to focus on the Chinese Ethereum. Yes, not Morpheus, but Neo. Yes, the one. Is it the one? I don't know. But today we're going to look at it from a technical analysis standpoint. Elliot wave theory, Fibonacci theory. If you're not up to speed with the basics, I did a video a little while ago, but I kind of cover the fundamentals, the psychology, the mass psychology, herd mentality of fear and greed that is represented in the price action that allows us to see what's likely to happen next and predict it with high probability so we can make intelligent, logical, objective, non-emotional business decisions. Because the game of investing is a business and you want to treat it like a business so you can fund your retirement. Fund your retirement? Yes. Have you seen my my free masterclass, my crypto masterclass? It's all about how to fund your retirement. Great education, and this all makes more sense when you've done it. It's in the link below. Take it. And if you like today's video, hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell notification. Who is this guy? I hear you ask. I'm going to tell you. I'm Jagir. I'm the award-winning author of The Extraordinary New Venture Capital Opportunity, How to Invest Like a Pro. Been trading currencies for over 15 years, but now I focus on cryptocurrencies because I love it. I love the tech, but I also love the gains. The gains are awesome. But I was also featured in the best-selling book, High Probability Trading Strategies, back in 2008, just after I finished my math teaching career. Yeah, I used to be a math teacher back in 2006. Yes, lifetime ago. All right, so let's have a look. Neo, the Chinese Ethereum. All right, let's do a fresh analysis. It's a fresh chart. I'm going to keep it high level. We're on a daily chart at the moment. I'm going to draw this. I'm looking for this tool where I can just draw the Elliot wave patterns. So what I'm seeing here clearly, and you're probably seeing it clearly too, is a nice wave 1, a wave 2, a nice wave 3, what looks like a wave 4. I'm going to stay on a daily chart, and a wave 5. Right, there you go. Simple. There you go. That was today's video. No, I'm kidding. We'll go into a bit more detail. All right, let's just do this on an intermediate so it's just clear. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So what happens after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? Typically, it's a correction. So let's just see what the typical correction we should anticipate. Now, before we do, let's just quickly jump. I haven't looked at the weekly chart. Let me just jump into the weekly chart. Yeah, as I was anticipating, it's bearish, which tells us that we've probably going to have movement to the downside. That's fine. Don't spend too much time there. For today's purpose, let's just do time and price. I'm going to try to keep today's under 5 minutes. I'm going to try. All right, so I want to shoot through this. Right, we take the low to the high. Hopefully you're familiar with this now. We want 50% tends to be the minimum correction, 62% and 78.6% is the typical maximum correction. I'm going to move this to the right so we can keep it nice and clean. Love my charts to be clean. And then we're going to do a time analysis. How long does a typical correction take? We measure from the low to the high. It typically takes a minimum of 50% of the time, and that might be a long time. Oh, it's a daily chart, so it should be fine. Let's have a look. A typical minimum is 38, but the most common is 50%, so we'll keep it at the 50%. So now we've got this time and prices on. So when would this look? So we might see a correction in the Chinese Ethereum, Neo, up until around July 14th. Where are we now? We're like May 14th. What's that? May, June, July. It's 2 months. Might see an 8-week correction. 8-week correction, so you can anticipate. And we saw a big correction down here. This was kind of very corrective down here. You know, is this the wave too low, or is this the wave too low? You know, you can kind of make an argument for both. It's not overly important for the case of what we're looking to achieve here. But 8 weeks to the downside. So now, if you're long in Neo and you haven't exited or taken profits yet, now might be a good time to find a good exit point so you can put some money into some positions that are looking to have some more upside movement. If you're looking to buy and enter into Neo, you know, being patient is a really, really key skill when it comes to investing, is to wait for at least 3 waves and at least around July 14th. What should we anticipate? Something along the lines of something like this, maybe like this, boom, A, something, and it'll probably be like a B, and then a C. Something like this. Yeah, it'll look something like this, right? And we'll see how it unfolds, and then we'll get more information. And this allows us to make powerful, objective, non-emotional business decisions. So depending on what you're doing, if you're long, if you're short, if you're standing aside, if you're looking to enter, If you've made money, you've lost money, but it allows you to see what's likely to occur next. So today's video, NEO Chinese Ethereum, looks like it's coming to a wave, well, correction now. We'll look to anticipate a big wave ABC, July 14th. And at least, what's the price? Minimum price we should expect it come down to is around $77. $77. But as we get more market information, we can do some closer analysis and we can narrow the price and the time zone, so then we can make even more powerful, intelligent decisions. All right, if you like today's video, I kept it short and punchy for you. Like, subscribe, hit the bell notification. We covered the Chinese Ethereum today, which is NEO. If you haven't taken my masterclass, make sure you take it. It's the Crypto Masterclass, How to Fund Your Retirement. It's in the link below. It's awesome. That's what you told me anyway, or some of you that's taken it. Enjoy it, give me the feedback, learn, and then we'll keep learning together, making good money together, good profits, locking in those profits, minimize the downside, maximize the upside, and leverage this bull market and what's to come. So we're in early days still, man. It's still May. So I think we're going to anticipate this bull market going into September, October, November. But again, as the market unfolds, we'll get clearer data on when it's likely to end and what we should do nearer that time. All right, I will see you in the next video.